Hey there, good morning. I'm here at our Cali Bamboo headquarters in what we call our game room. It's usually for like Nintendo Wii and ping pong and testing out new flooring samples, but today we hosted a yoga class bright and early in the morning at 6 a.m. We're also going to be doing it on Thursdays as well for Cali Bamboo employees, and it went so well that we wanted to share a little bit of it with you. So for those of you who might have missed the class, or maybe you're stuck at the desk today, or you've got a long commute, our instructor, Sarah Pila, you can find her at Flow with Sarah on Facebook. She's got a few tips for you. So here, take a look.
Hi you guys, I'm Sarah. So if you're sitting at your desk all day, I definitely recommend that you get up at least probably once every 90 minutes or 2 hours and start to begin to find some stretches. So if you're sitting down, stand up, just start to sway side to side, find these twists in your spine. That way you get the blood flowing. And then take your arms up. You can clasp your wrist, opposite wrist, and then reach up. Take a big breath in, and on your exhale, find this stretch over to the side, working into your side bodies, into your intercostal muscles. Inhale, reach up tall, take it over to the other side. Exhale, nice side stretch. Oh, it feels so good. And then when you come up, take your hands around your back, find a chest expansion. So interlace your fingertips. I'll turn around and show you. And then bring your shoulder blades together. Bend your knees, and then just find a forward fold. Now allow your head to hang heavy. So in class, we call this ragdoll. You can find another little sway side to side. You can just hang heavy. Nod your head. No, shake it out. Yes, no. And then slowly rise up along your spine. Let your head be the last to rise. And you can always close your eyes just for a brief moment. And take a big breath in through your nose. And then exhale. And hopefully you'll start to feel a little bit more calm, a little bit more open. You can take that inhale for about 3 seconds. Count that in your head. Exhale it out, and you'll feel better. So definitely come and join on Thursday, 11:30, if you have a moment to take class. And we'll be here Tuesdays at 6 a.m. too, so I can't wait to see you soon. Have a good day.
Thank you. Watch more Cali Live videos like these two.